Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to how to hang a picture frame on the wall. Flip your frame over and place a piece of painter's tape across the back where the hanging points are. Add another piece of tape from the center of that strip up to the top of the frame. Now that everything is lined up, mark where the nails go. Now we're ready to remove the tape from the frame and place it on the wall. So now I want to make sure that I have the center of the tape, the center that I want, and line these up. So this is centered. We're going to make sure this is leveled. So now that we have it centered and leveled, we're going to go through our pre-marked holes. Just tap it in. So now we have everything in place. There we go. It's level. The tape method. It's quick and easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks.